Friends, this is letter number 38. Letter number 38. Title is Didactic Serials. DID, Didactic. DID, DIDACTIC. SERIALS. 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 Printed in the Hindustan Times, New Delhi, Wednesday, July 31, 1996. The Hindustan Times, New Delhi, Wednesday, July 31, 1996. Hindustan Times, New Delhi, Wednesday, July 31, 1996. Title is Didactic Serials. DIDACTIC Serials. SERIALS. Sir, Rakshat Puri write up and Seema Khanna letter on Didactic Serials. HT July 10 and 23. Have EMBOL DENED me to bring to the fore one of the major flaws, at least in the production of these serials. Have EMBOL DENED me to bring to the force one of the major flaws, FLAWS, at least in the production of these serials, which goes unnoticed by the common viewer, VIEWER, unnoticed by the common VIEWER. Indian mythology is perhaps one of the richest mythologies, MYTHOLOGIES, of the world. The various subjects and themes ENSHRINED in it require REQUIRE scientific study, SCIENTIFIC study, full stop. What is happening actually is nothing but commercial loot, COMMERCIAL, loot, LOOT, without delving deep into the controversy as to whether they are useless, LESS, or didactic, DIDACTIC. I confine CONFINE myself to their production standards, and that too by well-known film personalities. All of us know that the production of any film or serial is not possible. All of us know that the production of any film or serial is not possible without when is known as background music or music effects. Background music or music effects, EFFESTS. Music is a creative art. Music as a creative art. Music as a CREATIVE, creative art, is the most potential POTENTIAL and ESSEN TIAL. Ingredient of any cereal in order to enhance ENHANCE, the imprint IMPRINT on the viewers VIEWERS mind by matching music effects with the concerned CONCERNED sequence SEQUENCE, and therefore caring for the value, comma, emotion and feelings of the scene. Emotion and feelings of the scene. A beginning, BEGINNING, of such serials was made of Doordarshan by Ramanand Sagar Ramayan based on epic story. EPIC, epic story, STORY. Any viewer, VIEWER, any viewer can easily point out that the background music was imposed by using or reusing. Imposed by using USING or reusing RESUING. Old Warnot, WORNOUT, WORNOUT, and HACKNEYED, tapes of Western music. Tapes of Western music, orchestra, which had already been used earlier in ordinary commercial films. Commercial films. Does the misuse of music lend LEND credibility to such religious serials, leaving apart as to whether they are useless or DIDACTIC, question mark, DIDACTIC, question mark, yours, etc. Mahesh Inder Sharma, writer Mahesh Inder Sharma, classical singer, station director, All India Radio, and producer and director of radio serial Zindagi Dhuan Dhuan, in translation of Jude the Obscure novel Thomas Hardy. Jude the Obscure novel Thomas Hardy, title in Hindi Zindagi Dhuan Dhuan. Director and producer Mahesh Inder Sharma. Writer, producer, director, classical singer, All India Radio. All India Radio. Waheguru, Waheguru.